Hey everybody, it's Trey Beck here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start an online business in 2020. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, so I thought I'd put this video together for you. And also, I'm going to talk about the top 5 business models, so the easiest way to get started with your own online business in 2020. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so number 1, this is a business I started way back in 2007. It's a great way to start an online business if you're new to the whole online marketing space. Now that stands for affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically recommending a product or service and getting a commission. So for example, you could shoot a YouTube video, you could talk about, say, a piece of software that you use, or let's say you do a camera demonstration, and you could just say, hey, if you want to find out more about this camera, check the link below. That link would be your affiliate link, and then you would get a commission. So you may see people do this on YouTube. They talk about a camera, they say link below. The only thing about the Amazon affiliate program, you see a lot of people doing that, low commissions with the Amazon affiliate program. Not always the best product to promote as an affiliate. We'll get more into what products you should promote as this video progresses a little more. Number 1, easiest business model, affiliate marketing. All you need is a YouTube channel, for example, so you can get started promoting other people's products for free. It's probably one of the easiest online businesses you can start. And like I said, I've been doing it since 2007, so it's a pretty good business model. It's going to be around for a while. Now, number 2 is digital products, so selling digital products. Now that could be an ebook, that could be a video training course, that could lead to, say, some online coaching. So you'll see a lot of people selling their digital products. A lot of YouTubers might have a product that kind of goes along with their channel. And I guess maybe something like an online video training course has a higher perceived value than, say, an ebook. Now, as far as price points, you'll see anywhere from, say, $7 all the way up to $2,000. And for coaching, it could be more. So there's a lot of profit potential with digital products, but a lot of people don't have the confidence in the beginning. So sometimes they'll start with number 1, affiliate marketing. They'll realize there's some downsides in affiliate marketing, which we'll get to in this video. That sometimes leads them to number 2, creating their own products or services. So that leads us to number 3. So number 3 is a service-based business. So one example of just purely online would be if you had a Facebook ad agency where you ran Facebook ads for, say, other online marketers. Now that would be online. Now also you could be a photographer or videographer who markets their products online and then meets clients in person. So that would be a service-based business. Now number 4 is drop shipping. So you'll see people talking about fulfilled by Amazon. That's where you have some products on Amazon and someone else fulfills the order for you. So that's drop shipping. I'm not a big fan of that, but we'll get into that in a second. And then this last one is software as a service. So one example of that could be, say, an email autoresponder. Someone signs up for that and then they pay monthly for that service. Another example would be marketing software, would be something like ClickFunnels. Now you can promote, like I said, all of these products as an affiliate. So you could promote somebody's ebook or their online training course. You could promote someone's software as a service. Sometimes the advantage of a software as a service as a business owner, one, is that you can charge recurring commissions. So let's say you create an email autoresponder service that marketers need in order to market to other people. They're going to pay monthly for that. Now, a software as a service business, that's probably the hardest one to get up and going if you're not a software programmer, because you would hire someone. So I've listed that in the top 5. We're going to get into some downsides. So like I said, number 1, affiliate marketing. You could have a YouTube channel. You can get started for free. Although I do recommend having a website, which will require some website hosting. You can get that as little as $10 a month. And then it's also a good idea to have some email software. I use ActiveCampaign. I'll put some links down below this video to some of the products that I use in my own business. Now let's talk about a couple of different things here. And you can see we have market and customer. So once you decide on a business model, here's the top 5, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're selling your own products, you have to decide on a market to market in first. Now sometimes people say, well, why don't you just choose a market that you're passionate in? Now that's not always the best way to go about it, because not all markets are equally profitable. So what I mean by that is you just can't pick any subject that you like and make lots of sales doing that. So there's 3 core markets out there. And those are really the wealth or make money kind of market. That's always been a big thing. Then there's also health and fitness. And then there's also relationships. Now, there are sub-markets within each market. So I suggest going down 1 or 2 levels. So let me recap. So there's 3 main big markets where a lot of money exchanges hands, where there's a lot of products and services for sale. Now that's the wealth market, that's the health market, and that's relationships. So picking a niche within those 3 that you're passionate or excited about, you're going to have better odds at success. And then you can promote products within those markets as an affiliate, and then you can start creating your own once you get used to how everything works. So the second one is the customer. And a lot of times I think people focus on how can I make money? How do I make money? How do I make money? It's always about you. But really, when you're marketing anything, whether it be your own products or someone else's, it's always about the customer and how can you help the customer solve a problem? How can you provide a solution to that person? So if you pick the market and then you focus on how to serve that customer, that's a huge difference. And when it comes to your own products, really picking your customer wisely is really important. We'll get into that in a second. And so I've got another column here too. So there's downsides. Okay, I want to talk about some of the downsides of affiliate marketing. Now, it sounds great. You can get started for free. You can start promoting other people's products or services. A lot of people abuse the whole affiliate marketing thing. They don't know how to do it right. They get very spammy. They start putting links everywhere. They don't provide any value. They create fake reviews for products that they've never used or courses they've never taken. So there's some downsides. I know when I first found out about affiliate marketing, I realized that a lot of reviews you read online are not true, and they're written by people who didn't use the product or service. So one thing I recommend, if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, make sure that you buy or use the product that you're talking about so that you know that it's something that's worth recommending. If you would recommend a product or service to a friend or a family member, then I definitely wouldn't get on the internet and start promoting it just because you want to make a quick buck. So it wouldn't take long to ruin your reputation if you started behaving that way. I see people in Facebook groups and they're always trying to get people to private message them and saying, oh, I could help you out with that, send me a private message. I feel that's kind of shady, that whole thing. Maybe it works for some people. I think the best way as an affiliate marketer is to create high quality content, whether you're selling your own products or someone else's, by putting high quality content out there on a blog, say on a podcast, on YouTube, and just generating goodwill in the community. I think that's the best way to approach an affiliate marketing business or digital product business or just about any other business. So I always think about the customer, how you can serve them, how you can help them, and do it in an honest way, and I think you're going to have better results. So let's look at a couple things here. So I mentioned traffic earlier, which would lead to a lead and then a sale. So this can work the same way. If you're doing affiliate marketing, I suggest using something called a bridge page. If you don't know what that is, I'll put a link down below where you can learn more about some of the things I'm talking about. That link will be in the description box below this video. So once you've got a market, once you've decided on a customer, then we need to attract that customer. So I touched on that about creating quality content within that market to start attracting basically people that are interested and problem aware. So let's kind of talk about that. A lot of times when people advertise on Facebook, and maybe you've seen that, sometimes they're targeting people that aren't problem aware. And what I mean is people that are aware that they have a problem. So let's say, example, I want to lose some weight or something. So I'm aware of that. I'm thinking about that. I'm looking for solutions about how to lose weight. So if I find a video that you created or a blog post or a podcast, I'm already in tune with the fact that I have an issue and I'm looking for a solution. And then if you make a suggestion, I'm more likely to take you up on that. Now, especially if you're using YouTube or Google, people are typing specific things in, so it's search-based. So they're much more targeted than, say, if I had a Facebook ad that said, hey, want to lose weight, and just target everybody blanketly. So once we have targeted traffic, what we want to do, whether we're an affiliate or whether we're a product creator, is we want to be able to capture their email address. And I'm sure you're probably on a lot of different emails. And so you'll need software to help you do that. You'll need a page that you can design to capture that lead. And then you'll need software, email, autoresponder software to follow up with them. I use ClickFunnels for my lead capture, and then I use ActiveCampaign to follow up with email. Now I can also use something like ClickFunnels to do my sales pages, my order pages, and things like that. So that's the gist of the top 5 business models. Let me recap affiliate marketing. You can get started quickly and easily with affiliate marketing, even with a free YouTube channel. Number 2, digital products, creating your own digital products, ebooks, online training courses. Then 3, a service, say like a Facebook ad agency or say a photographer or a videographer selling their services online. Then we get into drop shipping. You can have that on Amazon. And then we get in software as a service, a little bit more upfront investment in time. But if you can create a recurring software, that's definitely going to be a good moneymaker. And then again, it's choosing the right market. So I mentioned the top 3 and a niche down or 2 from that. So wealth, and then fitness or health, and then relationships. Really paying attention to the customer that you're attracting, and then really trying to provide a solution to your customer. Now, one question to ask too is you don't want to attract someone that's going to take a lot of work to help. So think about your customer. Who is it that you're going to be able to help where, let's say, you didn't get paid until you provided a solution for them? So they had to get results in advance and then they paid you. So think of that type of customer. So someone that's not at the bottom here who needs a whole lot of help to get to that solution, but someone who just needs a little nudge in the right direction. If you can target that type of person, it's going to be a lot easier on you, especially if you're selling your own digital products or services. And again, make sure that they're problem aware and they know that they have a problem. Trying to educate someone on the fact that they have a problem, it's a lot harder to make a sale that way. Now again, traffic, I talked about creating free quality traffic, things like YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts. Sometimes people have a Facebook group for a specific niche where they share their content there as well. And then getting people to enter their email in exchange for something. So maybe it might be a little free report, a little PDF report, maybe a free video. And then you can follow up with them via email and try to make the sale. Now, again, you can use a bridge page. I mentioned if you're an affiliate marketer, so getting their email, sending them to a bridge page that kind of talks about this product that you're going to recommend to them. And then you can follow up with them via email. Again, a similar method with your own digital products or services. You would give somebody something for free, then you would follow up via email. I mentioned earlier a value ladder. I'll just draw that really quickly. So a value ladder would be like this. Now, you would have, say, like a lower price product, then you go higher, and then you go higher, and then let's say you go higher here. So the idea of this, now a lot of people make the mistake and they think that they have to start people off at the lowest point in the value ladder, say like a $7 ebook or something like that. But the truth is you could start at a higher point there, so you could have a funnel that targets people at a $997 price point. You could start right there. You don't necessarily have to start at the bottom and then build these products up. Now again, that's tied to digital products. So anyway, I know I covered a lot. I've been doing this for about 12 years. So if I went through this too quickly, just go back, watch this video again. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just hit subscribe and hit that bell notification to get email updates. Also, if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up and share this video with other people if you found it to be useful. Now, if you want some help with some of these things, what I'll do is I'll put some helpful links down below in the description box just below this video. All you gotta do is scroll down and look at the info down there. I'll have some helpful links for you where you can find out more information about how to create your own affiliate marketing business or start selling your own digital products and services. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. It's Craig Beckton. Give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.